Good morning, this is the latest market news. I'm Uliana. Asian shares traded lower on Wednesday, taking a cue from Wall Street, which suffered its worst session in more than a month overnight. In Tokyo, the Nikkei 225 index fell 0.5%, while in Sydney, the ASX 200 declined 0.7%. Overnight, US stocks dropped on fears the Iraqi insurgency is embroiling the broader Middle East, which offset otherwise upbeat economic indicators out of the US. Media reports that Syrian warplanes hit targets in western Iraq earlier Tuesday in an effort to join Iran, and the support-embedded Baghdad government sent stocks falling. As fears began to grow, the conflict will increase in duration and complexity, especially if Washington gets more involved. Gold prices eased in Asia early Wednesday on profit-taking, but remained well supported on the civil strife in Iraq. Overnight gold future rose on fears the ongoing Iraqi insurgency will escalate, threaten US recovery by dragging Washington deeper into the crisis and weaken the dollar, which trades inversely from the precious metal. On the COMEX division of the New York Mercantile Exchange, gold futures for August delivery traded at $1,319.70 a troy ounce, down 0.12%, after hitting an overnight session low of $1,314.60 and of a high of $1,326.60. Gold often sees safe harbor demand among investors worried over geopolitical issues, which eclipse data seen as a bullish for the dollar and bearish for gold. Another round of sentiment readings for Europe are on today's shortlist of economic releases, starting with the GfK's Consumer Climate Index for Germany, closely followed by the French government's Business Climate Indicator. Later, the monthly update for durable goods orders in the US is scheduled for release. US new orders for durable goods 12:30 GMT. The market's expecting that the new orders for factory goods will increase 0.4% for May, or a bit slower than April's 0.6% rise. Nonetheless, a monthly gain for today's release will look encouraging, as it would mark the fourth straight advance. If the consensus forecast of 0.4% is accurate, orders will advance 3.9% on a year-over-year basis. It was the latest market news provided by ICO FX. Goodbye.